In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cite on ChatGPT 2024, whether you're a student, researcher, or simply someone who frequently uses ChatGPT for gathering information. Ensuring that your sources are properly cited is crucial. Let's dive in and make sure you get it right every time. First, we'll start with opening your preferred internet browser and heading over to Google. Just type Google into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you land on the Google homepage, you're going to type ChatGPT into the search bar. You'll notice a list of search results appearing almost instantly. What you want to do is identify the one that says ChatGPT website and click on it. This will take you directly to the official ChatGPT site. Now that you're on the site, it's time to think about what you need information on. Let's say, for instance, you're interested in finding out more about the theories of management. You'll want to make sure that when you compose your query or prompt, you specifically ask ChatGPT to include citations and references. This is a crucial step because it ensures you receive not just the information, but also its source, which is essential for accurate citation. Once you've formulated your prompt, go ahead and enter it into ChatGPT's input field. At this point, you might want to review your query to ensure it's clear and specific. After you're satisfied with what you've typed, click on the Submit button. This action sends your prompt to ChatGPT, which will then process it and generate a response. This is where the magic happens. You ask, and ChatGPT provides. After you've submitted your query, take a moment to review the response provided by ChatGPT. You should see not only the information you've requested, but also the citations included within the results. These references are typically presented at the bottom or integrated within the text. Depending on how the response is structured, this is your cue to note them down, ensuring that you maintain proper acknowledgement of the sources in any work or presentation you intend to craft. And there you have it. Citing your sources accurately using ChatGPT is straightforward once you follow these steps. Remember, the key to effective referencing with ChatGPT is clear, thoughtful prompts that ask specifically for the information you need, complete with citations. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this guide helps you cite efficiently and accurately in all your future projects. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.